I have got a package. This is one that will require some persuasion with the beast to open. 1/4 inch thick. Ho ho ho. Oh, hell yeah, we got some paper. Let's go. Black Friday. Here's your coupon code. It applies for everybody. Here's the card I got. It's the EMG Daniel Defense DDM4. Pretty cool. Add this to the collection. I just stuff it in these weird jean pocket container chalkboard thing. Alright, here's what we got. Pretty beastly looking. The 14mm negative, I got 2. Because some tips broke off on my other guns, so. Oh, you have no idea how happy I am. These are 40mm, 120 round each green gas grenade shells. And I got 6 of them. So what does that tell you? What does that tell you? 6 of them. And a rifle scope. Well, what does that tell you though? 6 of them. So ICS Airsoft is the brand. Be a game changer. This is the part that's confusing me. Because apparently I didn't read. But let's open this. Let's open this bad boy up. See what's in it. Oh my gosh! I can't believe this is sitting in front of me right now. Oh my gosh! Look at that! I'm just caressing a gun right now in a box. Oh my goodness! Let's get this out. Oh man, 4 long years, almost 5, and I finally bought one. Finally. Oh my goodness. Alright. So everything about this is polymer. Even the trigger. Well, yeah, polymer. Barrel, polymer. Everything's polymer. No rail mounts are metal. So it's super lightweight. Could easily palm this. I guess that's not palming, but you get it. Alright, I don't want to set this down because that's got grease on it. I don't want to get it on my blanket, but oh, there we go. Oh gosh, this is crazy. Let me put the scope on there. Alright, I got the scope on there. Doesn't look as good as that image that it came with, like, you know, when you buy it, but it is a pretty scope. I did put the scope on backwards, so I'll show you guys the red dot. You don't need to open the other side, but it's green. It has different brightness levels, and then there's red. So yeah, pretty cool. And then how you open it is there's this little groovy notch down here. This swings open, so when this is in there, then it can swing open. And then when you twist it, it's locked against those grooves. So you got to twist it so it's unlocked, and then pull that, and then just twist the frame and it'll pop open. It's hard to do with one hand. There we go. And I got all 6 shells in there. So now I just need to shoot it.